In this video, we are going to show the simple process of making a delicious glass of loose leaf iced tea. We're brewing about 15 grams of red jade black tea leaves in a 400 milliliter French press for 10 minutes using near boiling temperature water. If you're brewing 500 milliliters of tea or less, we recommend about a 1 to 20 or 1 to 25 leaf to water ratio. So 15 grams of tea in a 400 mil, that would be somewhere around 25. So it's 1 to 25. Black teas tend to be stronger. If you're doing a lighter or greener tea, you might want to go more concentrated on the ratio. Let it brew fully. So depending on the type of tea, it might be less. If it's a green tea or more delicate tea, you might not want to brew it for 10 minutes. Maybe 6 minutes is enough. Pour it into any vessel that's going to be easy and convenient to put in the fridge. Chill it down to at least room temperature. And you can see that this black tea has turned cloudy. That's due to the high concentration of catechins and tannins in the tea, basically the polyphenol compounds that are good for us. They will turn the tea cloudy when it's chilled. So don't be alarmed by that with a good black tea. Fill your cocktail shaker at least halfway with ice. Shake it for about 20 seconds, slightly vigorously. And you can put more ice cubes in your drinking glass if you want to make sure that it will stay nice and cold during your enjoyment of drinking the tea. Pour it off. The proportion is kind of important. A 400 milliliter French press works good in a typical 500 milliliter beer mug, although with the amount of ice it can overflow a little bit. Just let it. Enjoy.